So I will just make two announcements. Number one, I have ordered, or I will order today, a pause to all biddings of locally funded projects nationwide. Pause. Why ako nagpapapause? Bakit ako nagpapapause? Kasi kailangan muna namin i-review at aralin based on the President's directive to clean house. Okay? So, the President does not want any more money of the government, of the DPWH, thrown sa ilog. Sabi nga niya, use his own words. Ayaw na niyang matapon na naman sa ilog ang mga pera at ang mga proyekto ng taong bayan. Kaya, today, I will issue an order to pause all the ongoing bidding of the locally funded projects. Foreign assisted projects will continue. Kasi yon, kampante tayo na maayos yon dahil nakabantay ang ating mga advisors, ang ating mga foreign funders doon. Pero yung locally funded projects na binibid ng national, regional, district, pinapapos ko today.
All infrastructure projects?
All DPWH, locally funded projects. National flood control, roads, lahat na pause. I'm giving our new team 2 weeks maximum. 2 weeks maximum para maglagay kami ng safeguards dito sa mga prosesong ito. At i-develop natin yan in the next few days and week bago tayo, at i-anunsyo ko kung ano yung mga yan sa mga susunod na linggo, siguro as early as Monday, i-anunsyo na namin yan at i-implement na natin yan bago tayo maging kampante na susunod ang lahat sa direktiba ng Presidente na hindi na pwede itong mga nangyari ng nakaraan. So, that's the first. I will announce what safeguards we are going to put in place. Monday or Tuesday. Okay? So, yun ang unang-unang mangyayari today. The second thing, I have just signed a request to the Justice Secretary, copy furnished the Bureau of Immigration, for a request for a lookout order for these individuals listed here. And I will enumerate. This is all part of the President's directives to hold people to account and to make sure that the department is cleansed from these people, who have unfortunately not taken care of the people's money. So, just want to make sure. We just want to make sure. Look out, ito, request for look out. Wala pa namang kaso, so walang basis for a departure order of any of that sort. But I think more than making sure that they don't leave the country and all that, I think what the President wants to send here, by the way, ito kasama ito sa mga direktiba ng ating Pangulo. What the President wants to send, wants to show here, he is sending a very clear and strong message to everyone that we are serious. We are serious about this. The President is serious. I am serious about this. So, hindi ito lokohan. No? And you will find out in the next few days and weeks just how serious the President is. So, hintayin nyo na lang yung mga susunod pang mga gagawin natin upon the President's directives.
Secretary, clarification lang ng mabilis. Yung kung order ninyo to pause all locally funded projects nationwide, just the bidding, how about yung ongoing projects na?
I-review natin yan. At babantayan natin yan. Yung mga nabid na, na-award na, kailangan yon babantayan natin. At hindi tayo papayag ng ghost, hindi tayo papayag ng substandard. Babantayan natin lahat yan. Pero yung mga pinapabid pa lang, kailangan dun pa lang sa bidding, nakabantay na tayo. Wala na akong magagawa dun sa mga nabid na, na-award na. no?